Have you ever wondered how apps like Instagram, YouTube, or even video games actually work? Like, how does clicking a button make something happen on your screen? That's where programming comes in. I'm going to quickly break down exactly what programming is in the simplest way possible, even if you've never written a single line of code before. At its core, programming is just giving instructions to a computer. That's it. A computer is actually very simple in how it works. It doesn't think, it doesn't guess, and it definitely doesn't just know what you want. It only does exactly what you tell it to do. Programming is the process of writing those instructions in a way the computer understands. Think of programming like following a recipe. If you are baking a cake, the recipe might say preheat the oven, mix the ingredients, and bake for 30 minutes. If you skip a step or do something wrong, the cake doesn't turn out right. Programming works the same way. You give step by step instructions, and the computer follows them exactly. The instructions we give to computers are called code. Code is written in programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, and C++. These languages are designed to be readable by humans but also understandable by computers. For example, in the programming language of JavaScript, you might write code to tell the computer to show a message on the screen, and the computer will do exactly that. Programming is used to build almost everything you interact with digitally. For example, websites like YouTube or Google, mobile apps like Instagram or TikTok, video games, software like Microsoft Word, and even things like robots and artificial intelligence. If it runs on a computer, someone programmed it. Here's a simple way to think about it. You write code, then the computer reads it, then the computer does what the code says. Sometimes it works perfectly, other times it does not. And when it does not work perfectly, programmers debug, which just means finding and fixing mistakes. At first, programming can feel confusing. You are learning a new way of thinking and breaking problems into small steps. But the good news is you don't need to be a genius to learn programming. You just need practice, patience, and consistency. Like any skill, it gets easier over time. There are a lot of reasons people learn programming, like to build their own apps or websites, to start a career in tech, to automate tasks, or just to understand how technology works. It's one of the most valuable skills you can learn today. So, to sum it up, programming is simply the process of telling a computer what to do using code. That's the foundation of everything in software engineering. If you are just getting started, don't worry about understanding everything right away. Just focus on learning step by step. All right, that's it for this video. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one.